Hey guys, it's Mr. Golias, and we are taking a look at a tour of our new unit. So I clicked modules, and tomorrow this one will be active. The graphic design, you'll click it just like we did to get to the Dreamboard. It says graphic design challenge levels here. You'll click that, and your levels will open up, and it will look like this. Don't worry about all the bell ringers. Those will get tied in at times to our questions of the day. What you do want for today is to watch this video here in the check it out section. And then after you do that, the only other thing you're going to want to do, we're going to spend a lot of time in here where it talks about we're going to have 5 challenge levels we're going to be working on over the next 5 classes. So basically a class each day will do a challenge. So I open this up and the new levels will pop up for using Pixlr. Everything you need is here. So our first day, we're just going to be working on the Zoom name virtual background. Every challenge has a tutorial that will walk you through the steps, and it also has some hints and extra tips that you're going to want to go through. Unless told otherwise, you really probably are just doing one challenge in a day. For example, the first day for sure, we're just working on our virtual name backgrounds. But we will work all the way through. I think you're really going to enjoy these, by the way, all the way up until we get to the meme, which will be our last one. And then there will be an additional one we'll do after that. But these are our 5 challenge levels that you're going to try to level up all the way through. I hope you enjoy these and have fun with these in Pixlr. And if you haven't been there, the link is ready to go. It'll bring you right there. And this is where you'll be able to make your edits and work out of here. So that is your tour of how you get there, and I hope this is helpful.